So Terra Classic has a new burn roadmap as well as a roadmap for the coin as a whole. Let's talk about that and more news in this video. If you guys are interested in seeing all of that, make sure you guys watch until the end of the video, and also like and subscribe so you don't miss any of this new Terra Classic content that we are putting out for you guys 4 times daily. So yeah, let's get into this video. So you can see here Terra Classic is currently up about 2.65% on the day. Actually, it's down about 0.23% on the day when I update. It's doing about 0.25% worse than Bitcoin and about 0.04% worse than Ethereum. In terms of rank, they're currently ranked number 216 in the world with a $375 million market cap. The volume is sitting at about $111 million over the past 24 hours, which is a 31% increase over the past 24 hours, which is very solid to see. If you check the historical data, you can see that we're below $100 million for about 4 days there, from June 16th to June 19th, June 20th, or today. We have finally bounced back and are above 111 million, which is something I like to see because it gives us more of a chance to see these bigger swings in prices. So yeah, right now we are currently on about 993 watch lists as well. So we 993,000 watch lists, that is. So yeah, a lot of social volume, a lot of social interaction is around Terra Classic right now. It's really good to see, and we are currently floating just above our support at about the 57. So we're going to be going over that technical analysis at the end of this video. So make sure you guys watch until the end of the video. I'm not just saying that to hear myself say it. It's very important. But anyways, let's get into the news for today. But before we do that, I do want to mention that we do have a free we do have a free stock with the first link in the description. When you deposit just $1 on public.com, you're going to get up to $300 worth of free stock. I personally got a $300 stock of Amazon just a couple weeks ago. So if you guys want to try out your luck with that, go ahead and deposit $1 on public.com and get your free stock with that first link in the description. But anyways, let's talk about the 2 pieces of news we're going over. So I want to talk about the Terra collapse real quick, and kind of just why it happened. A lot of people still don't know why it happened, and then we will go over this new rebuild roadmap for the burn roadmap as well. So, but first, some people still don't really know what happened, and it seems that 2 traders basically collapsed Terra. Chain analysis finds that 150 million UST withdrawal from Curve Pool triggered a chain reaction. Now they go over kind of what has happened in the past couple of days or weeks or even month with Terra Classic. But when we go over here, this report notes that on May 7th, Terraform Labs, the company behind Terra, withdrew 150 million UST from Curve's 3 pool, a liquidity pool comprising various stablecoins designed to facilitate the efficient exchange between the tokens, making it susceptible to volatility. One trader then swapped 85 million UST for USDC 13 minutes later, with a second wallet trading 100 million UST for USDC in $25 million increments over the following hour. So basically, Terraform Labs responded by withdrawing a further 100 million UST in a bid to rebalance the pool. So basically, all of these things that happened within an hour to 2 hours is what really caused the collapse of Terra, and just obviously seeing Terra's Classic's price now at about 57 instead of like literally $80. But anyways, yeah, these large trades and a number of smaller ones had already broken the UST's peg. Investors panicked and the sell-off began, and many holders with their UST deposited in anchors started to withdraw their funds, Chainalysis said. Chainalysis notes that 3 wallets were swapped in a combined 480 million USDT for UST between May 7th and May 9th in the apparent bid to restore its parity with the dollar. But LFG also offloaded billions in Bitcoin for UST on May 9th, but LFGs were depleted and UST had broken by the same time that day. So that's basically how Terra's whole system collapsed, is just between Terraform Labs and then these 2 traders, which basically just offloaded everything and were just like, I'm out. And then everyone else followed suit. So that's basically what happened there. I don't want to go too deep into this just because there's really no reason to even go over this really anymore. We all know why it happened. But I do want to mention this for anyone who doesn't know how Terra Classic basically was or Terra Luna at the time, basically was broken. However, we do have a roadmap proposal to make it unbroken once again. So this roadmap proposal starts with team leadership removal. If you guys don't know, Do Kwon is accused of some pretty crazy things, as well as Terra Classic is accused of some pretty crazy things. Now, whether or not these things are actually true, I'm going to stick away from just because I don't want to get in any trouble. However, just having that those accusations about is not good for a coin. So they say team leadership removal, nonprofit board, NUCO, and governance. The second part of this rebuild roadmap proposal is going to be the implementation of a transaction tax of 1.2% on both LUNC and USTC. And both of these proposals were passed. Third part is re-enable staking. So they want to bring staking back. They want to then make the algorithmic USTC coin. They want to have future growth, future uses, new tokens and stable coins. LUNC, USTC, both having PR, marketing, and advertising. Then we want to make LUNC and USTC websites and social media accounts, and then making LUNC and USTC team members. So this is basically the whole roadmap that we have. This includes a burn roadmap. This includes a burn leadership removal, staking, a new coin, and then new coins in the future as well. So lots of stuff on the horizon. This is just a proposal, but it has gained a lot of traction. By the way, with our burn taxes, there is a 1.2% tax on all LUNC that was passed, and then there's also a burn tax on about 35% of the Terra Classic native chain. So if we were to be, and the goal is to get the supply down to 10 billion LUNC. If we were to do that, to get to $1, we'd need to get to a $10 billion market cap, which we've been at before. And then also we would need to get, if we want to get to 1 cent, we need to get to a $100 million market cap, which we're already at. So yeah, that's basically what we need to do. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for that. I do want to mention that we do have a free section on our private Discord. If you guys want to join, use the second link in the description. Get joined up to our private Discord's free section. We give out stock option plays, and then also we give out crypto plays on there as well. But anyways, let's talk about this final let's talk about this technical analysis, and we'll get out of here. So previously we did break above our resistance at the 56 level, and we had a support at the 52, but we broke above that resistance. We have a new resistance here at the 63, and then new support here at the 56. We bounced off the support very well right here, and the RSI is starting to go back up to that 44. The MACD is trending down, but it looks like it's about to start trending back up. So if it does, we could definitely see a support start to form here at the 56.5 area, or even 57 area, and our new resistance is here at the 63. If we could break above that, we could see some major gains with Terra Classic. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. Make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe, and then also get your free stock with the first link in the description. Join our free section or our private Discord with the second link in the description. That's going to be it for today. I'm Zach with Finance Bro. Take it easy.